What's up, guys? This is America in the Philippines. Today we're doing another Filipino snack taste test. Today we're doing spicy foods or spicy snacks from the Philippines. Most of these are chips or chicharrones or nuts. And if I miss anything, make sure to let me know in the comments what I should try next. I've got 6 different things today, so obviously I don't have every spicy snack, but I've got a few things that people have suggested and a few things I just found while I was at the store looking for spicy snacks. So let's get started. First, let's go with Lesli cheesy. I did their blue packaging. That's their standard cheesy variety. That's their like Cheeto style. This is the red package, so it's the spicy one. They also have a green, a jalapeno. So let's get in here. It doesn't smell too strong. I can smell a little bit of spice. They're definitely very red. I mean, fire red. Let's give it a shot. Not much spice. They're a little spicy. Not crazy like I'm used to, like American hot Cheetos or something. The flavor is good, very cheesy, kind of garlicky a little bit. Very like umami, like rich flavor to it, which I really like. The spice is building the more I eat it. I think if I was to eat this whole package, it would start to build up. It's kind of in the back of the throat heat, which I like. These are really nice. The flavor is good. It tastes just like the regular cheesy blue packaging, but they just added more chili powder to it. So, I mean, that's great. It does taste a little bit like pepper, a little jalapeno pepper flavor. So these are great. Out of 10, I would say this is a 8.3. Excellent, solid. I would definitely buy these again. They sell a bigger bag. I think I would get the bigger bag too. These are a little more expensive than standard Filipino snacks. Like I think this package was maybe 15. Normally they're maybe 5 pesos. But this is super good. So if you get a chance and you like spicy, Lesli cheesy. Next, let's try Peewee. I've actually got 2 types of Peewee. I guess most of their stuff is spicy. This is their spicy chili version. I had their pizza. It's like a green packaging. They have a supreme pizza flavor. Let's pop into here and see. They smell kind of like potato chips. They're made with cassava. They're like chicharrones. Not very heavily coated, it doesn't seem. I'm getting a lot of garlic and onion. Not much spice. It kind of tastes like salsa a little bit, like Mexican salsa. I mean, it smells garlic, tastes garlic. I'm getting a little bit of heat now, maybe out of 10 in heat. It's like a 1 or 2 maybe. The chicharrones are super crunchy though. It's a nice texture. I like it. I don't know if I would buy these again. Just because if I'm getting spicy, I want really spicy. I think the Lesli cheesy is maybe like a 4 out of 10 spice. But these are nice. Yeah, I mean, it tastes like chili powder, bell pepper, garlic, kind of like almost pizza, like a spicy pizza sauce. It's good. It's a solid. This out of 10, I would say is a 6.6. It's good. I might buy it again someday, but I think I like their supreme pizza better. So your Peewee spicy chili. For our third, let's go with Tortillos. Tortillos. They have several different flavors. This is their chili flavor. They're like corn chips. Let's get in here. It definitely smells heavily of corn. Let me have some water. Maybe that'll help clear the palate between flavors. Okay. Let's get another smell. Yeah, corn, a little bit of garlic. All of these have been very garlic forward. They're just standard small tortilla chips. Let's give it a shot. The consistency is weird, like they're stale. And I've had these before, like different varieties, and they were stale too. I don't know if they're always stale. They have a little crunch, but then like feels like moist almost. It does have a good little chili flavor. I don't think it's hot though. I'm not picking up any heat. I think this tastes like chili, like chili sauce. Like tomato, garlic, onion, few spices like that, but nothing spicy. Maybe this was a miss on the spicy and I thought their chili flavor would be spicy. Yeah, the consistency is bad. These are like not, it's like you left these open for a month or something on the counter. Out of 10, I would say this is a, let's just say a flat 5. They're okay. If you really wanted some corn chips, maybe this is a good one to try. They do taste like classic corn chips. They're made with corn as the first ingredient. So they're all right. 5.0 on these though. I wouldn't recommend you try these. Next, let's go with the nut. I've done some happy nuts before, but this is their hot and spicy. I didn't know they made hot and spicy. All I found was their sweet chili, which was sort of spicy, and I do like that flavor. Let's get into their classic, just straight hot and spicy. Let's give it a smell. It just smells like roasted nuts. There's not a huge smell here. I mean, nothing exciting to see, just regular peanuts. Let's get a nice little mouthful and see what it tastes like. Salty, a tiny bit of spice. It does taste, I do taste the garlic and onion, a little bit of chili powder, but I wouldn't call these hot. I think they're not heavily seasoned either. They're chili garlic or like a different color. These just look like plain peanuts. Yeah, this tastes like, I can even taste like chili flavor, but no heat, like 0 heat. There's a 0 out of 10 on heat here, which is disappointing. I was hoping these would be super spicy. These are good though, because Happy makes really good quality peanuts. I'm gonna give these a 6.5, slightly less than I believe the Peewee spicy chilies, just because those had a little bit of heat. Good flavor. If you like garlic chili flavor, these are really nice. So 6.5 for these. We got 2 more. Let's go. I know I'd like these. So next, let's do our Marty's spicy vinegar cracklings. I did the Mang Wan spicy vinegar, and those are seriously one of my favorite snacks in all of the Philippines. Let's give this a smell. Okay, right off the top, super vinegar flavor, super vinegar smell. This large bag was only 20 pesos. That's why I got the big one. They're nice, they're orange, which means lots of flavor powder. Let's give it a shot. These do have some heat. I mean, the vinegar hits your tongue right away. Very acidic, a little bit of spice on it, salty. It's actually made with green peas, tapioca, and potatoes. So it's like vegetarian chicharrones. Oh yeah, even that one cracker. I'm already getting spice at the back of the throat. Wow. These are really good. I think I like the Mang Wan better. These are nice. It tastes like pinacarat. I don't know if that's the name throughout all the Philippines, but in Cebu, they have pinacarat, which is like a spicy vinegar sauce that you can get at your like Carinderia or whatever. It's like a bottle with vinegar, chilies, garlic inside. This is really nice. The heat is definitely building up. I can feel it in my sinuses. I can feel it in the back of my throat. I think if I was to eat this whole bag, it would get super spicy over time. Out of spice 1 to 10, this is a 4, maybe 5. Again, not crazy spicy, which is okay. I don't want a 10 spicy. I want to be able to enjoy it. So this is a nice, enjoyable level. This would be good with some Red Horse or something. But for taste, out of 10, I would say this is a solid 8.8. Very good. I would buy these again. I have bought them before, so I knew that I liked them from the beginning. So if you get a chance, try the Oishi Marty's cracklins or the Mang Wan. They both have several varieties, but their spicy ones are super good. We got one more. Let's go with Peewee's. I said I had two versions. This is their sizzling barbecue. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be spicy, but it's got pictures of shish kebabs, like meat on a stick. So maybe they mean like barbecue, like grilled meat, but we're about to find out. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah, that's beef. That's beef flavor right there. Beef and onion, garlic. I mean, it's maybe the best smell of any of these. No, not much spice powder on the outside, but the nice puff chip. Beef bouillon. No heat. I was thinking with the red bag, maybe it was heat flavored, like spicy. It tastes just like beef. Like if someone wanted to make a steak flavored chicharron. That's what this is. So whatever fake barbecue flavor is supposed to taste like, it's this to a T. So not spicy. Flavor wise, it's solid. I'd give this a 7.1. I like it better than most of these, but in terms of spicy, it's not spicy at all. Very beef, onion, garlic, like stir fry flavor. Really nice. If you want to try a Peewee variety or a chip variety that's interesting, you don't get true beef flavored very much. So these are really nice. I would try these if you want something different. But I think our winner today, we have two very close. We've got the cheesy spicy and the Marty's crackling spicy. Both are very good. Both are medium spice and both have very distinct. This one's very cheesy. This one's very vinegar, like kind of sour, which goes really good with the spice level. Both of these would be excellent with some drinks. So if you want to try something spicy, go with either one of these. So if I missed anything, guys, let me know what I missed down in the comments. If you want me to try a different type of snack, let me know. I'm down to try anything. I've been trying these videos now for a couple of months. I think we're almost up to 20 videos almost on snacks. So if I missed anything, if you have a favorite snack that I need to try, let me know, guys. Anyway, thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.